Lay out all of your parts and check them against your manual. Also check all of your polystyrene before throwing anything away. When you begin assembly, start with the rear stabiliser and remove the protective plastic first. Then attach the stabiliser using 2 carriage bolts, washers and nuts. Repeat this process on the front stabiliser. Next, remove the 6 Allen head bolts from the base. Connect the sensor wire, making sure to align your pins in the heads. Now attach the tension cable by hooking the head from the handlebar post to the clip in the base. Then pull the cable up until it sits securely on top of the silver hook. Please make sure to turn the resistance dial down to 1 and be aware this may take some force. Feed the cables into the base, making sure not to trap them within the frame, and reattach the 6 Allen head bolts. Next, slide the handlebar shaft through the top of the handlebar post. Make sure a wave washer sits on either side. Then attach the right and left swing arms, each will be labelled. Make sure the bolts face away from the machine. Secure using the hex bolt and washer from either side. Attach the pedal support bars to the bottom of the swing arms using a long hex bolt, washer and nut. Secure the pedal support bars to the base using a large black Allen head bolt, washer and nut. Each bolt will be labelled with a small R or L. Turn the right bolt clockwise and the left anti-clockwise. Now place the foot plates on top, each again will be labelled. Make sure the higher side is closest to the base. There are 3 positions along the pedal support bar to attach your foot plates to suit your stride. Secure each plate using 2 hex bolts, flat washers and nylon nuts. Next, start by removing the two long silver Allen head bolts from the back of the handlebar post. Feed the pulse wires from the handlebars through and up and out of the top of the post. Then secure the handlebars in place using the bolts removed. Then add the black plastic cover on top. Attach the right and left handrails to the swing arms using the two inner hex bolts, spring washers and arc washers and nuts. Again, each will be labelled with a small R or L. Lastly, connect the wires from the monitor to the handlebar post, making sure to align your pins and check you hear a click for each one. Feed the wires into the frame and secure the monitor down using the black screws found in the back.